Welcome to Christ College Ripoy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, Khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight. Upop Leo Bakhatsao, but President Jonga Ukraine, Volodymyr Zelensky, kilapan long ya kajing ya keran Lyngba ka telefon, hadin kajing kerpat jong Upop Leo Bakhatsao menin kasngi, hakapor duai, ya kajing duai, to shat kemen kusim, na kabenta kajing suk kabashisha, kabahok, bat kabanne hari Ukraine. Kani kajing kerpat kalawan hakajing Kren jong Upop, haka Regina Kelly, haka ba ulapan pau ya kajing sengukia kabajur, Halor kajing jenjar jong kipat ba Ukraine, da kaba kentu ya kajing persang ban penkut no ya kajing ya kenat, ban penpai biang ya kena shalaki long ying. Ula khodru ban pelat no ya ki koidi ba ula banjur ya kajing Jingdonkam ban khanglat ya ki thma ki ban sawan, kamtam ha Ukraine, Gaza, bat harut kaput India bat Pakistan. Habaju bab ya kane, Zelensky ulapan pau ya kajing sngongu Halor kajing kershan jong Upop kamtam ha kabayade bat kajing persang ban wanra ya kajing suk bat kajing pelat ya ki koidi kentup ya ki hajar ngut ki kena Ukraine ki belasha set koidi ha Russia. Ulapan pau ya kajing ate kular sanget thma jong ka Ukraine ka badang ya chakmat bat kajing long balap penkre jong kari na kabenta kajing ya keren ka bakham benya. Zelensky ula khot sngo baru ya Upop Leo Bakhatsao ban lejngo ya ka Ukraine da ka banget bakan ai jing kermen ya ki riunget bat ya ki riu pat ba baro arngot kila menjur ban ya kendu rengkat bat ki jing thmu ban ya kendu markhmat hakapor ban wan.